ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kalong khubor ko pen kendit ki bubun balang bentep baka jela Meghalaya ki break bayap na ka Jingpyndonkam Duma ki long hadu prahaja Ngut Manla Snem. Ya kanila pentep da ka State Nodal Officer da ka National Tobacco Control Program Meghalaya ka Dr. Lana E. Lingdo Nongbri hapakran ha ka state level workshop to implement the WHO FCTC Article 5.3 policy in Meghalaya, India, halo ka phang My Meghalaya Tobacco Free Meghalaya. Ya kini ka jingya thirban penkan mau baban ai jing tip shiki pat ba nong shong shnong jong ka jilla Meghalaya ha ka baya day but ka Jingpyndonkam Duma la pelong da ka PGIMER Chandigarh kintubru ka Nigram's Hospital Shillong but ka Union C New Delhi haringkat ka jingya trelang bat ka National Tobacco Control Program Meghalaya. Ka Dr. Lana kalaong baga jingtmu bahakmat jang ka National Tobacco Control Program kalong kumnu ban pinsngol tho ikipat ba nong shong shnong jang ka jilla bakin pinduna ya ka Jingpyndonkam Duma. Hagiri ka jingalang ka long Landmark Hotel Shillong laya shimbentalang lagi officer jang ka tanat pulit lembat ki wei ki officer lagi kattu kat ni tanat trekam jang ka sarkar jilla.
The main objective of National Tobacco Control Program in the state of Meghalaya is to bring down the prevalence. We have to come down from 47% to a greater extent. We cannot be the table toppers anymore in tobacco usage. See, we are second when it comes to smoking, second in the country, and we are 15th in the country when it comes to smokeless tobacco. Then in Northeast also we are second, and when it comes to smokeless we are 5th in the Northeast. Meghalaya witnesses 8,000 deaths every year from tobacco use. So this is alarming, and I'm telling you, we will, the population of the state will be very, very less later on. See, if we witness 8,000 deaths, and that 8,000, not necessarily that it has to be cancer. Now, as a clinician, I'm telling you, we all think that this Meghalaya is a cancer capital, isn't it? Meghalaya is known to be a cancer capital. But it doesn't mean that people, we have to be scared just because of cancer deaths. No, we have to be scared of tobacco-related deaths other than cancer. We have so many people who are dying from lung cancer. We have so many people dying from heart attack. So many people who die because of hypertension. Okay? And so many people die, and many stillbirths. Okay? Stillbirths. Then children with under development of the brain, isn't it? Lung cancer, then chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, so many things. So not necessarily cancer, and cancer also, imagine cancer of the esophagus, we are second in Northeast. And I believe we are second in the country also, and maybe in Asia. So this is alarming. What do we take here? We take why? Tobacco, smoked meat, fermented food, and so on and so forth. Wild lifestyles, maybe unhealthy lifestyles. These are the reasons which is making the tobacco-related deaths very, very high. Okay, smoking away like anything. I'm talking about even doctors, police officers, other officers, teachers. They take so much tobacco. Okay, and being stakeholders, we are in the front when it comes to all these unhealthy habits. So now, what we are doing, it's so difficult now to talk to the adults and to make them quit. And the quit ratio of tobacco in India is very, very less. We are talking a lot about tobacco cessation clinics. We are talking a lot about so many things. But just name any person who has left tobacco. It's so difficult, and unless they have fallen ill on their deathbed, on the verge of dying, then only they decide that they will quit. And that also with a lot of effort.